Hey, what's up, friends? If you're stepping into the world of music production and want to start creating mixes that sound pro, not just in your bedroom, but in the big leagues, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 lessons every aspiring studio producer needs to know to level up your mixes, save yourself hours of frustration, and actually enjoy the creative process. Whether you're just starting out or tightening up your workflow, these are the lessons I wish someone had told me sooner. Let's jump in. Master gain staging. A proper gain structure is the bedrock of great sound. If your signals are too hot, you'll get clipping and distortion. Too quiet, and you'll raise noise later on. Learn to set healthy input levels at every stage, from recording through mixing. Keep average levels around -18 decibels to -12 decibels for headroom and plug-in accuracy. Use sidechain compression creatively. Sidechaining isn't just a tool for clearing up a mix, it's also a powerful rhythmic and emotional tool. From ducking bass under the kick to creating a pumping feel on synths or vocals, this technique helps tracks breathe and groove in modern music production. Understand how to route and control it. EQ with purpose. EQ is where clarity happens, or where it gets ruined. Always ask, what problem am I solving? Start by cutting unnecessary frequencies, like low-end rumble on vocals or cymbals, and only boost when needed. Don't EQ for the sake of it. Your goal is to carve space for each element in the mix. Reference tracks are your compass. Always mix with 1 or 2 professionally mixed songs in the same genre loaded into your session. Reference their balance, low end, vocal clarity, and width. This keeps you from getting lost in your own mix and helps train your ears. Pro producers use reference tracks constantly. It's not cheating, it's smart. Capture great sound at the source. You can't fix it in the mix if the raw recording is bad. Use the best mic placement, tuning, and performance you can get before you hit record. A well-recorded vocal or drum kit will almost mix itself. A bad one will fight you the whole way. Bonus mindset. Less is more. The best producers know when not to add another plugin, layer, or effect. Clarity, intention, and space often sound more professional than cluttered complexity. And there you have it, 5 foundational lessons that will seriously upgrade the way you produce music. If this helped you, drop a comment and let me know which tips stood out the most, or what you're working on in your studio right now. I'd love to connect. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. I've got more deep dives coming on mixing, songwriting, and building your creative life. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.